I am come with new video. This is the second part. In first part, I speak in language Hindi, and in this part, I speak in English, only English. Guys, we make a gun. There is many zombies, many monsters. I want one bowl, 2 teaspoons, 1 plate, and 2 hankies. I got 2 hankies. See, there are 2 hankies. And I am... Oh no, there is a monster. Monster means monster. I am really... There is a monster. I want 2 teaspoons. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I really want that. Oh no. Run. Run. I am running to my room. And I want 1 bowl and 1 plate. And I want to make a gun. I want 1 plate and 1 bowl. Thanks, monster. And I want 1 plate. And I make a gun. I want 1 plate. I want 1 plate. I really want 1 plate. But there is a monster. I am flying. I am going to the kitchen. Yeah! This one. Ah! Oh no! Run! Oh no! I am running. Yes. See guys, I have things to make the gun. There are 2 hankies, 1 plate, 1 bowl, 2 teaspoons, and I am really happy. I have got a new gun. Means nerf gun, nerf. See guys, my nerf gun. I am really happy. See this my nerf gun. This is very nice. Guys, you like this video? Please give it like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Thank you. I come in the next part.